Oh, that's a different thing. They tell you they are not Igbos, but I will tell you now that they are Igbos. That's my people. Okay? Now, just watch this. Do we understand this so far? Yes. The way it is. Yeah.
The young man there asked Brigadier General Alabi-Isama whether Ukwuani and other Anioma people are Igbo people. Alabi-Isama replied the young man, telling him that Ukwuani people will tell you that they are not Igbos, but they are Igbos. He told the young man that Ukwuani people are his people, that Anioma people are his people. And by that, Alabi-Isama is telling the young man that he, Alabi-Isama, is an Igbo man. The mother of Alabi-Isama is from Ilorin in Kwara State, and his father is from Otabono community in Ukwuani land. Alabi-Isama fought on the side of the Nigerian army during the Biafra War. Even as Alabi-Isama fought against Biafra, he's an Igbo man, he fought against Biafra, yet he did not deny his Igbo identity. Alabi-Isama have never for one day said that he is not an Igbo man. The young man there asked Alabi-Isama, are your people Igbo? Alabi-Isama told him that his people, Ukwuani people, are Igbo people. That Igbo people are his people. Alabi-Isama is a well-learned man. No be some of those our elders for village they say, Ukwuani are Igbo, Ukwuani people not be Igbo people, deceiving themselves. As Alabi-Isama thought say he be Igbo person now, did the federal government of Nigeria kill him? No. Who will kill you for saying that you are an Igbo person? If we Ukwuani people embrace our Igbo identity, will anybody come and flog us with cane? No. Why is it that the rich and wealthy ones from Anioma land are proud of their Igbo identity? Now only those ones who are poor, they thought they not be Igbo people. If you come to Ukwuani land today, you will see so many Ukwuani people that they have never traveled outside that Ukwuani land. So many of them for 20 years now, Ukwuani land they never come out for Ukwuani land, go southeast before. So many of them are hearing Anambra State. Their leg never enter Anambra State before. Their leg never enter Enugu State before. Their leg never enter Imo State before. Their leg never enter Abia State before. Their leg never enter Ebonyi State before. But if you see them online, they will be saying, we Ukwuani people and Anambra people are not one people. We and Enugu are not one people. Now so they go to talk say they not be one people with our Igbo brothers in the southeast. No be say they don't travel go southeast to see the way these people speak their own dialect, to see the culture and tradition of our Igbo brothers in the southeast. They never do one. And that is why if you invite them to a debate, they talk rubbish. You go to hear that they talk say, in Ukwuani land, we don't say Guamala. They don't dance it in the southeast. In Ukwuani land, we have Okpaluku. They don't have Okpaluku in the southeast. This is why I'm telling my Ukwuani people, make una dey travel. Ukwuani people are just behaving like Ikwere people. Now why Ukwuani they deny their Igbo identity, Ikwere they deny their Igbo identity. Ikwere people not they travel. How many Ikwere person you know for Asaba? How many Ikwere person you know for Anambra? They don't travel. They just did that River State. Live your life like that of a researcher. Researchers no more. Ukwuani people go to the southeast and see that the culture and traditions that we practice in Ukwuani land is the same in the southeast. If Ikenga festival starts in Ukwuani land, you will see so many Ukwuani people celebrating Ikenga, yet they don't know the meaning of Ikenga. Ikenga is not celebrated by weak people. Ikenga is not celebrated by lazy people. Ikenga is not celebrated by people that don't know who they are. You must know who you are before you celebrate Ikenga. Don't you know the meaning of Ikenga? Ikenga represents bravery. Ikenga represents determination. Ikenga represents power. Ikenga represents greatness. Ikenga represents boldness. In Ukwuani land, we call ourselves Ikenga. After Biafra War, we start saying that we are not Igbo people. Ikenga where they fear. If you know yourself as an Ukwuani person, you're going to say, our Igbo brothers in the southeast are our brothers. You're going to say, we and these people, we speak the same language. We bear the same names. We eat the same food. We have the same cultures and traditions. Biafra where they fight many years ago. So many of our elders for Ukwuani land still they fear. They tell their children say we are not Igbo people. If some Ukwuani people now come gang up, do coup for Nigeria now, say 5 of the officers where do the coup now Ukwuani officers. Then as they do the coup, they can raise army officers from Ukwuani land. War can start. Those army officers and Nigeria government can they fight. If the war come pass Ukwuani people, you go come see so many Ukwuani people go start to talk say, we are not Ukwuani people, we are just Ogume people. We are not Ukwuani people, we are just Kwale people. We are not Ukwuani people, we are just Emu people. We are not Ukwuani people, we are just Amai people. We are not Ukwuani people, we are just Osisa people. If Ukwuani fight war with the federal government of Nigeria, Ukwuani identity go come die. Nobody go dey identify as Ukwuani again. Because una dey fear say if una identify as that Ukwuani, say the federal government of Nigeria go see dey marginalize una, they go dey intimidate una, they go dey do una this, they go dey do una that. Now what you go happen be that if federal government of Nigeria and Ukwuani get issue, Ukwuani people will start denying their Ukwuani identity. They go come dey talk say they not be Ukwuani people. Federal government get issue with Igbo nation. Una start to say una not be Igbo people. We are just Ukwuani people. Ukwuani is an ethnic nationality. If Ukwuani people like, let them go and register Ukwuani as an ethnic nationality. The federal government is still seeing you people as Igbo people. They are still calling we Ukwuani people as Igbo people. And they talk and say, if to say Peter Obi na Ukwuani man, the whole country go see the fight and the way that they fight them today because Ukwuani is Igbo. In Ukwuani land, we be Obi. Obi of about, no be Obi be entitled. Let an Ukwuani man come out today and say that his name is Obi Nnamdi. He can't go the contest for presidency. The same way Yoruba people are fighting Peter Obi is the same way they will fight him if he is an Ukwuani man. Northerners will be calling that Ukwuani man an Igbo man. Some Ukwuani people will be saying, we Ukwuani people are not Igbo people now. Support our brother to become the president of Nigeria now. They will tell us, say, shut up your mouth. Igbo is Igbo, whether in the south or in the southeast. This thing is very shameful. Even as Nigeria government take kill Igbo people during the Biafra war, our Igbo brothers in the southeast are still proud of their Igbo identity. You reach Ukwuani people turn, they not be Igbo, they not be Igbo. You reach Ukwuani turn, they not be Igbo, they not be Igbo. Alabi-Isama wey see Biafra war, they tell you say he be Igbo man. He dey talk say Ukwuani people are Igbo people. If you come Ukwuani land today, you go see small boys and small girls from Ukwuani where they TikTok. They talk say Ukwuani is not Igbo. Yes, we bear Ngozi, we bear Emeka, we bear Chukwuma, we bear Nnamdi, we bear Chukwunalo, but we are not Igbo people. How you go dey bear name of identity where you not be? How then did we Ukwuani people started bearing those names? Some Ukwuani people will tell you that they are from Benin, they are from Igala, they are from Fulani, they are from Yoruba, they are from Zimbabwe, they are from Togo, they are from South Africa. Una come from those places. Come forget una language. Why you be say Urobadi Soko where they boundary with we Ukwuani people? They not forget their language. Even as Urobo Isoko and we Ukwuani people they intermarry with each other. Urobo people no leave their language start to speak Ukwuani. And Ukwuani people not leave their language start to speak Urobo and Isoko. So how come did we Ukwuani people started speaking Igbo language? The reason why we Ukwuani people are speaking Igbo language is because we Ukwuani people are of Igbo origin. The reason why Ile Ibinu language and Igala language did not conquer Ukwuani land is simply because Ukwuani land is Igbo territory. If you Ukwuani person claim that your ancestor is from Benin, our language, which is Igbo, swallowed your language because that land belongs to we Igbo people. Our language swallow your Igala language because our land is Igbo land. Our language is Igbo. So now assimilate, we assimilate ona. If you are Ukwuani, you said that you are Igala, you said that you are Benin, we assimilated you. We own this region. We own this location called Ukwuani. Igala people that have Hausa origin, they cannot tell you that Igala land is Hausa land. They now speak Igala, but their origin is Hausa. They don't go come, they tell you, say, our land is Hausa land. Now Hausa get this Igala land. It's not possible. Igala swallowed their Hausa language because the location they found themselves, that territory is Igala territory. So you can't call that place Hausa territory, you call it Igala territory. Any Ukwuani person will come out to say, some of us are from Igala, some of us are from Benin. Ukwuani land belongs to Benin, Ukwuani land belongs to Igala. That Ukwuani person, not just that Ukwuani person just they talk rubbish. It's so shameful that Ukwuani people don't know where they belong. In Ukwuani land, we call the supreme being Chuku. We call land ane, we call food ni, we call water mili. How did we get all these words? Did we Ukwuani people borrow it from our Igbo brothers in the southeast? That is the question that Ukwuani people are supposed to be asking themselves. If you ask Ukwuani people, did you people borrow this Ukwuani language that you are speaking from the southeast? They will tell you no. That means, as when I talk no, now on a language be that. Why would I not want to use my brain no say, on a language na the same with our Igbo brothers in the southeast? On and them na one people. That is how to reason. But instead, we are just Ukwuani, we are not Igbo, not knowing that Bia speaking people are called Igbo. Every Bia speaking people in Nigeria and worldwide, they are called Igbo people. The way every Yoruba speaking people are called Yoruba, every Hausa speaking people are called Hausa. Whether we Ukwuani people like it or not, we are Igbo people. When you say Igbo speaking people come out, we Ukwuani people will come out. We Ukwuani people, we belong to Igbo block. Anywhere where Igbo they go, now we Ukwuani people they go. We are not separate from our Igbo brothers in the southeast. Nobody thought say make you not be Ukwuani again. You are Ukwuani. Ukwuani is your identity. The identity of an Ikwere man is Ikwere. The identity of an Osuka man is Osuka. The identity of an Nri man is Nri. The identity of an Izi man is Izi. The identity of an Afikpo man is Afikpo. The identity of Olo man is Olo. The identity of Arochukwu man is Arochukwu. The identity of Ika man is Ika. They are all Igbo people, but they still remain what they are. No one has one identity. If you come Ogume now, I am from Okauku family. Okauku is my identity. In Ogume, I am from Umuchime. Umuchime is my identity. I am an Ogume person because that name Ogume hold we Ogume people together. Ogume is located in Ukwuani land. And because of that, I am an Ukwuani person. I'm an Umuchime person, I'm an Ogume person, I'm an Ukwuani person. Now, Ukwuani is located in Anioma land. I am an Anioma person. 4 identities now. Anioma is located in Igbo land. I am an Igbo person. 5 identities now. The reason why I'm an Igbo person is because my language is Bia language. Ukwuani language is Bia language. Ukwuani culture and tradition is Bia culture and tradition. Ukwuani way of life is Bia way of life. Ukwuani people are not the only people that have Bia culture, Bia way of life, and so on. Ika people also have that culture. Ikwere have that culture. Anambra, Enugu, Ebonyi, Imo, and Abia, they have that culture. Ndi Igbo, found in 13 Nigeria states, they have that culture. And we all are called Igbo people. Igbo means ancient. Ndebo, Ndibo. That name holds we Bia speaking people together. This is what I want my Ukwuani people to understand. We Ukwuani people are not alone in this country called Nigeria. We stand with our Igbo brothers, and our Igbo brothers stand by us. When Ukwuani people say that they are just Ukwuani people, they are not Igbo people, they make themselves a minority. If Ijebu people don't say they are not Yoruba, say they be Ijebu, they are making themselves a minority. Everyone that speaks the same language, have the same cultural tradition, are expected to be united as a people. Nobody thought say make you not get Ukwuani socio-cultural organization. Nobody thought say make you not get Ika socio-cultural organization. No. You can operate your organizations. All about Ikwere organization. Now only them they run them. No other Igbo region they control them. They should do their thing. But let them know that they are Igbo people and one people with every Bia-speaking people in Nigeria. But instead, they go they fear, they lie to themselves. We are just Ikwere, we are not Igbo people. Come Ukwuani land. Now so many of our people they lie to themselves. My name is Emeke, I am not Igbo. My name is Chukunalo, I am not Igbo. My name is Ngozi, I am not Igbo. Deceiving themselves. See article the other day they talk say Igbo is Igbo, whether they are found in the southeast or in the south. He talk say south Igbos and southeast Igbos are of the same race, that they are the same people. Alabi-Isama is here saying the same thing. Alabi-Isama is from Ukwuani. He is saying the same thing. Ukwuani people that are well traveled, Ukwuani people who don't travel, see things, then they talk say Ukwuani people are Igbo people. The ones where they talk say they don't be Igbo now. These ones where they for village where not they travel. They can't they pass that mindset. They give the upcoming generation in Ukwuani land. Ukwuani upcoming generation make una they travel. Travel around and see things for yourself. Not just the Ukwuani land they play. Travel and see things for yourself. Ukwuani people they go on the Chami market to go buy something. You don't speak English to them. If you speak Ukwuani to them, they hear. Nkego awo keniku nkego ego ne. The Onitsha person don't hear. Is ego ne? Ane renka 20,000. Ane renka 30,000. As Onitsha person they speak, Ukwuani person they hear. If Ukwuani person they speak, Onitsha person they hear. Why una no one use na brain no say we and these people na one people? Ukwuani people wake up. Let's be proud of our Igbo identity. Igbo bofu, Ishiagwale.